Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna install some LED bulbs in our Camry. So we have one for the dome light. Also, let's see. So we have for the brake light. So that's good. Let's see what's this. And these are for the reverse light. So we have dome light, brake light, and reverse light. And that's that. We're gonna go towards the car and we're just gonna install them in the car. So what I'm gonna do them in separate videos. So whatever video you see first, it will have a link towards for the tail light, for the brake light, for the dome light. It will have a link for all those, and for the reverse light. So it will cover all of them for the Toyota Camry. All right. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do the inside of this Toyota Camry right here. It's a 2015 Toyota Camry. We're gonna change the LED light and the dome light. We're gonna use the light from Auxito LED, and it's 194. As you see, we're gonna go ahead and upgrade this bad boy right here. So first, you can use a flathead screwdriver to pull down on this side. I don't have a flathead screwdriver, I have a small key, so that's what I'm gonna use. So you have like 4 different clips, so 2 on this side right here and 2 on the other side over here. So once you pull those 3, pull down on the clips like that, and you can see the 4 clips that I'm talking about. You can press this, pull down on this, and we're gonna get our LED and change it from yellow to white. So I like to turn it on. So sometimes you put LED in, it won't work, and sometimes you put it, you just have to take it out, flip it around, and it will work. So this one is good. You can see it's working, so that's good. And go ahead and just slap this back in place. You can see how white and bright it is. Time to move to the front. So guys, you want to push down on this to open up a gap right in the middle right here. But if you have a screwdriver, you don't need to open a gap like that, but I don't at the moment, so I'm using this key as my screwdriver to pry down on the light right there. So pry both sides, one this side, one right here, and it will come right out. So once you pull that out, you see how over here you have like a little hook. So you want to pull this side where it pivot, and you can see over here. So basically what I did with the screwdriver, I just hook right here, pull down on that hook right, and those 2 hooks that will hook onto here, and that will take care of that. Just hold the bulb and pull out on the bulb. So I might have to take my gloves off, but you just need to hold it and pull straight down. So guys, just make sure. It was really hard to take these out, guys, I ain't gonna lie, but I got them out. Alright, so as you see in the back work, but if you connect it and it don't work, just flip it around, put it back in, and and that worked. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Alright, so we have that. So that's good. We just need to put it back in. We just need to put this front part, because it's like a little hook first. And then we just need to do this side. It's like a little hook too. Alright, so that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.